Hey everyone, my Blackmagic Intensity Pro just came in the mail, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. So here we go. I got this from Amazon, and surprisingly the company that shipped it was also based in New York, which is good for me, because I live in New York. Alright, so it's got some air bubbles to keep it protected. Okay. And here it actually is. The Intensity Pro. So let's open it up. Box. Well, that's cool how it has these things. Anyway, looks like it has two compartments. First compartment has the actual Blackmagic Intensity Pro in an anti-static bag. So I'm just gonna put this to the side for right now. And it looks like this also includes thank you card for buying this. Please note that they spelled support with three P's. That's always a good sign. This looks like it's the software disk, but I will be getting it off the internet for updated drivers. And the second compartment here. Ooh, geez. This looks like it's the breakout cable for a component. I'm using this to record TV because I can't use HDMI. And right here looks like some kind of S-video cable. So that's all that's in the box. I guess I'll open this first. Okay, well the wires, pretty flexible, it's good. Good thing that it has in and out labeled, because that could have gotten confusion. Yeah, it's pretty standard. Except this one, I don't know what this is for. I guess I'll open this unusual cable that I'll have to find out more about by way of the internet. But does look like an S-video cable. And now the actual Blackmagic card. Observe precautions for handling. Will. There it is. In all its splendor. I read on their website that if you don't have this kind of PCI slot, you can actually plug it in almost any PCI slot that is faster than that, which I have, so that's good. Alright, so now I'm actually going to put it in the computer. Alright, so here we are on the inside of the computer. I'm going to be installing the card in this blue PCI X16 slot right here. If you want to see the specs of this computer, that'll be in the description, so check that out if you want to see what kind of specs I'm running this card at. Before I install the card, I just wanted to show that all 5 of these hard drive bays are full at this point. These bottom 3 are actually 3 new hard drives that I got. Samsung SpinPoint F3 hard drives. I put all 3 of them in RAID. They're 500 gigabytes each, so that's 1.5 terabytes. I got them mostly for this card because of the capturing speeds, but I also needed some more storage space, so yeah, that was good to get. So back to the review in this installation. Alright, let me just zoom in here. It's actually this one. So on my case, it just has these little snap things. Hold on, I can't listen. Alright, there you go. It has these little snap things where you can lock cards and these drive covers in place. But some computers, you may need a screwdriver to get these off. Okay, now for the actual installation of the card. We removed the PCI cover here, and we're going to be installing it in this PCI X16 slot. Right there. So first thing we need to do is take the card right here and put it, line it up right in the open slot. So it's like that. Now make sure it's lined up with the prongs under there. Hold on, let me just zoom in on this. Okay. So now you're just going to want to push down evenly until you hear it snap in, like that. And then what I do is you just gotta snap down the cover for it, and that will put it in. So now I'm just gonna reassemble my computer. Okay, and now that the computer is put back together, now the only thing is to wire the Xbox to it. So right here I have 2 HDMI cables. This one goes to my TV, so that is going to be to the output of the Blackmagic. Okay. And this second cable is coming from my Xbox, so that is going to be going to the input of the Blackmagic. Okay, now I'm just going to start the computer, and we're going to set up the software.